Yo, what's up, guys? It's Alex. We're about to go on a motorcycle ride to go pick up a new master link. I fucked up yesterday and I over tightened the master link. Um, yeah, I used an impact. I shouldn't have done that. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, where I fucked up. I shouldn't be driving like that, but fuck it. Fuck it. You only live once. So, if you guys look there, that right one is destroyed, but I think it'll be fine. Just for now, just for a few miles. Get up on the road right now, and then we'll see if we make it. If not, I guess I'll have great content, huh? See you guys then. Alright, guys, so we're back. We got the bike. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about the master rivets. I had to go to Harbor Freight to buy a micrometer so I can measure the rivet for when I press it down. We'll probably have to do that tomorrow because it is still hot. I'll probably wait until the weekend since I don't want to end up in a situation where I have to drive like that again. So right now, we'll leave it how it is. I don't know if I'll ride it. I'm kind of not too afraid. I mean, might or might not have went over 2 digits on the freeway. So I kind of trust that chain. I think it's all just a, over time type of thing. And right now we're still working on the Beamer. It's my 335 E90. So right now we're working on the rocker panels. I already painted one side. We're gonna paint the whole car. We're trying to get that show car finish. Let's see here. Ooh, that honestly did not come out that bad. So when I first did it, I was kind of afraid. So right now, I mean, I have little pits and stuff, but that's because I sanded it too much with like too tough of a grit. It's all a part of the project. We will be painting it soon. Still don't know what color. I'm still undecisive. I kind of want to do like a baby blue. Still don't know what I want to do. I will unveil the car a little more for you guys, reveal it a little more for you guys over time. Right now, I think we gotta focus on painting it, and I got the single turbo kit coming soon, so we'll see. It's been like 2 weeks. I've read reviews of people saying it only takes like 2.5 weeks to deliver, although their website says 4 weeks. It's a big fucking project we got going on here, but can't wait to show the videos. Still gotta figure out the whole situation with this paint job. Don't know how long I'm gonna take. I don't want to take too long, but also, it's gonna be a process because I really do want to make it really good. I want to take off like door panel. Well, I want to. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, but like that I could for sure get in the jams. I really want to get into the jams. I don't want to really not get into the jams. I gotta replace a few seals. Like if you guys see here, these seals on the back there, those are painted. Somebody has painted this car before, fucking hence the shitty paint job. Let me see, I can find more, like right here. So right now I haven't even cared to wash it, because, well, the paint job's pretty shit. But I don't really care to wash the car, because I know I'm gonna have to, but replacing all these gaskets are gonna get quite pricey, but I think it's all worth it. And real soon, this car will be immaculate. We still got plans for a big body kit. Right now, I think I gotta focus on painting it first. See if I'm even good at painting it. I think we have a good chance. I'm still thinking about like the color. Like I said, maybe you guys can help me figure it out. I kind of want like a baby blue, a dark, like a pearlescent black and blue type of thing. I'm still not sure, but I think white and the baby blue. Yeah, I'm talking about that color a lot, so I think that's probably what it's gonna be. So, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna leave the video here. First time recording a video, well, for YouTube, so Let me know what type of content you guys want to see. I'm mainly going to center it around the Beamer and the motorcycle, but you guys let me know what you guys are trying to see, and peace.